party leader is coming to Nyamira on Monday. As ODM, we are in the process of restructuring and reorganizing the party through increased membership and through the process of election so that we can be ready for future challenges. The process of increasing the member or registering new members, and as you are aware, we are in a democratic setup. Other parties are also doing the same. The process started some time back. The party leader has been through other counties. He started with Siaya, Homa Bay. Yesterday he was in Migoli. Monday he will be in Nyamira. So we are preparing for his coming, and we are sending this message that ODM is the most organized, well-structured party set for good leadership for Kenyans in this country. And we are urging that many Kenyans, and especially in Nyamira where the activity is taking place on Monday, come forth and listen to what the party leader will be sharing with them. And we ask that new members register and join in this party, which has got great vision for this country. We have a plan, we have a program. Given a chance of leading this country, ODM is set to transform this country in terms of leadership and economic development so that we see Kenya a new, better place to live in with all the natural resources it has. Tomorrow's activities will be at the center of the county, at Nyamira headquarters, Nyamira primarily. That's where we'll have the rally. That's where we will launch the program of membership registration. And nearby, we'll also have a meeting with the delegates who are here today to be spoken to by the party leader and share the views on how they will go back to their homes to encourage members to register in ODM in large numbers. And I ask, using this opportunity, that all members rise up and join us on Monday to hear what the party leader will communicate. He will have a great message to tell you about the party, about the position of leadership in this country, and the way our country is being managed. And as you are aware, he is already interacting effectively with this government on matters cost of living. And we expect him to pass effective messages that you will be carrying home, knowing that this country has leaders who will rise to occasion when there is need. But I'm aware that the following day, on Tuesday, 28th, he will be heading to Kisii County on the same mission and program. He will also be coming later into the county, beginning of December, to attend to some events that are important that he must associate with, and we think it is good. He likes this place, and he will be coming from time to time. But he will be here on that also, I think, for an event that will be disclosed when the time is opportune. Jumatatu, monene naendo mu president ODM, ngochare se county ya Nyamira. Igago cha soko launch emerobelio y'abantu kubaba member be chama ya ODM. Ire chama yengenjo sana se country yaitu. Chama ebwato morobelio, ebwato mochoko na ende ebwato burayu buya na amaroro yokoleto burayi asiliro bya Kenya senjire bwenerete agusimeka magendera lya ganeri nabana inchi yaitu. Igongo cyari Nyamira litukolya Jumatatu kubeka uburoso bwa membership asaba Nyamira kuboli gwanga bali gwancha oyo mona bonsi bachiche asumurobelio bwo mukutano Monday nataligo lyoka bali batanyale guika be aligania sukwereche muna chimemba ODM nere chama ye bangete buya asumurobeli noborayo buya ujiboshekero yanyoliro bosi bole bwo kugambira Kenya tubwato kwegenda nganere tama unchulia manene soburai na magendero no kubwenera kubumwe bwa Kenya sama tukale bosyo nimba tebinga nonya tukoba amaso gukwanira na mune chama andi tukwana magana Kenya kwa jumla kiagera bari bakugamba se bono babere n'ubututukanu bonge njira baruberetie emiroberi yabo amangana mange y'ubugima akongira asenge njuburayi ubugenderete buri office wananchi tibali kunyara kwikirania so amagani yabe se bintu biri bya kawaida ebe sukari ebe chumbi eba maguta kiagera kibango kyabikirwa sekirase amaguri ya kereke malini re irongo na amapato bakonyora na make na ubu onjolia bwairanire ensase ng'encho y'ubukurekanu bw'uburayi bwe serikali yabona igo asekerekemo subugima bw'umwananchi asumurubi turatwara Nyamira ntobe tugukwanira na maganaya naende nturi bushukurwanira korora nk'umwananchi omoke tali kunyanyaswa se king'encho kitali kingiya ekiagera tutagete uburayi bwo konya umwananchi lakini tali uburayi bwo kumusisa na kumukongeria ubugima.